Hi, this is Slash Puppy Perry, my version of I Kissed a Niggie. This was never what I planned. I must have lost my mind in this thought. I just wanted to try something new and you, not as you of madness. It's not what I'm used to. I just wanted to try you on. I kissed a Niggie and I liked it. The taste of her Candyland lips. I kissed boy Niggies, girl Niggies. I hope my puppies don't mind it. And it felt so wrong, felt so right, felt so wrong, felt so right. I kissed a Niggie and I liked it. I don't even know your pain. You must want to slap me for kissing you. I know you won't hate me because niggas are like teddy bears. Oh, they are so hard to resist. You never want to let them go, never want to let them go. I kissed a Niggie and I liked it. Come on, come on. I kissed a Niggie and I liked it. The taste of her Candyland lips. I kissed boy Niggies, girl Niggies. I hope my puppies don't mind it. Felt so wrong, felt so right, but I felt so wrong, but I felt so right. Those Niggies are so magical, big eyes, soft skin, and cute faces, so real and so kissable, and so comical, so valuable. I know you exist, you're so innocent. I kissed a Niggie and I liked it. The taste of her Candyland lips. Oh, kiss boy Niggies and girl Niggies. I hope my puppies don't mind it. But it felt so wrong, but it felt so right, but it felt so wrong, so right. I kissed a Niggie and I liked it. I liked it.